Hello guys, and welcome back to another short tutorial on this channel. So we'll be making this sleeve on the screen, and I folded my fabric using 18 inches, which is about 1.5 inches. That is the round sleeve times 1.5. I got about 18 inches. So I placed the fabric on fold, and the length of the sleeve I am working with is 10 inches. Okay, so if you want yours to be longer, you can make it up to 12-15 inches so that the puff will really come out nicely. So I made a rectangle and I had to create the armhole curve just the way you have seen. After making your curve, you can go ahead and cut your sleeve out. Then you go ahead and place this on a separate fabric to cut out the other sleeve. Now you can go ahead and use this piece you've cut out to cut your lining. Then you'll stitch the lining and the Ankara together. You stitch it just together, you're not turning any side. Okay, so once you're done stitching, you can go ahead and make your gathers at the hem of your sleeve. In case you do not have a gathers foot, or you cannot make gathers with your machine, you can actually use your needle and thread to make in and out stitching, basting stitching, and then you pull to create your gathers. So right now we are going to be piping the round sleeve with a band that has the actual round sleeve measurement. So this band was cut with the actual round sleeve measurement, which is 12 inches. So you place your band on the wrong side of your fabric, you stitch it down, and then you turn at the front part of your fabric. Once you are done, your sleeve should look like this. Okay, so you fold into two and now take your round sleeve measurement and close up the side of your sleeve. Then the next thing you're going to do is to be creating gathers at the sleeve head. Okay, at the curved part of your sleeve, you're going to be making gathers there also, which you now stitch to the round sleeve of the dress you are making. Okay, to attach the sleeve, you match up the side or the side lines, the side line of your dress and that of the sleeve together at the armhole. Then you can use your pins to pin the sleeve to the body. Then you can go ahead and stitch it down. So here we have our puff sleeve with band ready. Thank you so much for stopping by. Bye.